opioid den or get thrown out of a,
Sort of say, hey, you want to get some pizza? Or?
Yeah, they don't get thrown. They get thrown into the pizzeria, but I've never seen them get thrown out of a bar. Thanks for the call to New Jersey 101.
Shoveling and all that, but then once some of the girls mixed in, but that's how I heard y'all, because I was in there folding laundry and stuff, and the radio was on.
Yeah. So you'll do pretty much anything.
Dreaming of a better tomorrow at unbound.org. Traffic every 15 minutes. Next report at 4:03.
When driving in snow, is people not clearing the stuff off their cars, or there could be a number of other things. What is your biggest pet peeve? 1-800-283-101.5, 418. Here's fast traffic.
What's up for 195? The traffic slows on the eastbound side in the Jackson area to 22, although a stall, actually a spin out, has been cleared out of the way, and also be going farther east on 195, heading into Route 34. Probably there's some snow plowing going on in that spot. This report is sponsored by Unbound.org. You can see the difference between a child continuing to dream of education or leaving it behind. Help make the future brighter for one child at Unbound.org. Traffic is slowing down at 18 going north, coming in towards 547 in Eatontown with an accident now cleared out of the way, and 35 south in Belmont flooding over by 8th Street. It's the right lane that's underwater. Garden State Parkway south is still a crash at exit 83. Left lane is affected by that, and there's still flooding closing off Route 36 heading into the Seabright area.
I know, I got it.
129, a crash on the shoulder, and the New Jersey Turnpike on the truck lanes north near exit 11, a crash has been cleared. South end side of the Turnpike truck lanes near exit 12, there's still a crash occupying the right lane. And 22 eastbound side in Springfield has been closed good part of the day. That's because of a down pole, and we're getting rid of a new problem on the Turnpike down north on the truck lanes right near exit 13. That's a crash in the right lane. Tom Rivers, New Jersey traffic north.
Christina Stalfo, New Jersey traffic south. 676 southbound at Morgan Boulevard, exit